In PowerPoint, you can animate text and objects such as clip art, shapes, and pictures. Animation or movement on the slide can be used to draw the audience's attention to specific content or to make the slide easier to read. And if you want to click a button to make an object appear, like a text box, word art, a picture, or practically anything else, you can easily add an animation to that object. And this is during your presentation. This will appear when you click the mouse button on that slide. Or if you just want to add an object to appear one by one, you can also add an animation. To do that, first you have to open up Microsoft PowerPoint, then add in the objects that you want to appear by going to the Insert tab, then select Shapes as an object, or you can also insert pictures. And here we have a sample slide with some objects on it. What you want to do is click on that objects that you want to appear during your presentation, then click on the Animations tab near the top of the window, select the animation you want to apply to the objects you have selected, and you can choose one of the standard options immediately available in the Animations group, like Appear or Fly In, or you can click the More or the drop-down button, then More Entrance Effects. This is where you'll find more animations. Then in the Timing group, make sure that the Start option is set to On-Click. Otherwise, the animation may proceed automatically without you clicking a button. You can also adjust the object's effect options, duration, and delay. You can also add 2 or more effects by clicking the Add Animation in the Advanced Animation group. Then select another object or objects to add animations to them if you prefer. And those objects will appear when you click the mouse button again on that slide during your presentation. Try to run your presentation by pressing F5, and you will see that in your actual presentation, the objects will only appear when you press a button or click your mouse to advance to your next point. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.